Alright, this is a little test. I'm recording straight from the recorder, the microphone on the recorder. I'm kind of moving it around a little bit. I got it pretty close to my mouth right now, about a foot away. I'll put it behind me. It picks up pretty well. It's a really, really small little recorder. It fits in the palm of your hand. So just take your time, go through the settings, and set them how you want them, and have fun.
So this recorder is very simple. Once you get used to it, just kind of take your time. It's kind of hard to see because it's really small. This is your volume on the left side. That's your USB. There's your volume controls. And these are settings to get where you want to delete what you recorded. Once you get into your main settings, you control everything from this side. So this goes up and down, and stop takes you out of it. That's your on and off. There's a headphones jack, microphone jack. So something in the settings. So there, I'm on the record. It's hard to see. Let me go into, I'm on the music, record, and then settings. So record, music, system settings. Record, music, system settings. I know that's hard to see. So system settings, something that people will want to know. So if you go in here, there's record settings. So I'm going in record settings. Record from. If you want to record from a microphone and not the microphone that's in here, you got to go change it. So that bottom one, it's hard to see, it says line in. The top one says microphone. You change it to line in. See, it's on microphone right now. You change it to line in, and then you go out and you go stop, and then you can go back, and then you can go stop. You can go back to your recording if you want to record. And then now you can record with your line in. So that's something to know, because people will be trying to figure that out and just sticking it in, and then it won't work because you have to go put it in your settings. So if just recording with the microphone, it's already set that way if you're going to just record it with the internal microphone. So there you go. Have a great day.